Hi everyone, welcome back. So I just want to preface this video by saying that I'm not a hair professional. I don't know nothing about hair at all. Before you do cut your own hair, seek professional advice. I know some people have done it successfully, others have not. I just want to put that disclaimer out there. I'm only doing this video because one of my lovely subscribers requested it. So I hope they're watching. I'm just going to talk about how I cut my hair in the summer. I do film in advance, so whatever you are seeing currently is what I've done in the past. But this is today's video, if that makes any sense. So I use these scissors. Again, they're not hair cutting tools. This is like paper scissors, which I don't believe is good for your hair. I went to the bathroom by myself. I got a mirror and I sat in the bathtub and I basically cut my hair. I didn't really section anything off at all. I just kind of went for it. Like I just kind of like chopped it off like that. It was kind of difficult a little bit because my hair is somewhat thick at the ends. Not a whole lot. These are not the right scissors again. So after I like did a rough chop, I went like in this kind of a motion. So let's say this was my hair. I kind of went like this just to give it a more natural chop. The reason why I cut my own hair, by the way, is because we are in quarantine right now and I wasn't very comfortable going to the salon. Right now it's closed, but at that time the salon was open and I wasn't really comfortable. There's one hairstylist that I do see, and she's the only person I've seen since I was 18. Like, she's the only hairstylist I will ever go to in my local area, and she cuts my hair. And I was too scared to go because of like quarantine and COVID and all that stuff, so I would just decided to cut it myself. I don't really recommend it. I don't really think I did a good job, but yeah, you guys, basically that's it. There's no layers in my hair. If you do see layers, that's great. I just brushed my hair. This is like second day, third day hair. So this is what it looks like currently. But yeah, I'll throw in some pictures maybe at the end of the video. In hindsight, I do wish I had like actually vlogged the whole process, but I didn't. I just kind of like went for it. And I don't know if that's how you're actually supposed to be cutting hair. Correction, you're definitely not supposed to be going like that, so don't do that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment, like it, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye.